Okay, class, are you still with me? On to problem 6. In this problem, we have to find the equation of the line that contains point 0.04 and is parallel to y equals 2x minus 3. The key word here is parallel. Remember in your notes, parallel lines have equal slopes. So when I look at this equation, y equals 2x minus 3, the slope is 2. I'm going to go ahead and mark my 0.4 as x1, y1. And just like the previous problems, I'm going to use point slope form. So plug in your values, and we're going to distribute the 2, or multiply if you want to say, 2 times the x and 2 times 0. Notice the 0 completely disappears in this problem. We're going to continue on. Still got to make this equation be y equals, so we're going to add 4 to both sides. When you simplify, you get y equals 2x plus 4. Okay, that was simple enough. Let's try another one. On this one, we have a point -4, 5, and it's going to be perpendicular to 2x plus 3y equals 7. Key word here is perpendicular. From your notes, perpendicular lines have slopes that are opposite reciprocals. Okay, well, let's look at our equation and get the slope. Wait a minute. 2x plus 3y equals 7. That's not in y equals form. That's in standard form. Aw, now I gotta do some work to make it y equals. Let's quickly do that off to the side. So we have 2x plus 3y equals 7. We're going to subtract 2x from the other side. Then we're going to divide everything by 3. And we get this. Okay, we got a y equals now. So what's the slope on this equation? -2 over 3. I had to highlight it. Okay, but perpendicular slopes are supposed to have opposite reciprocals. Opposite meaning you have to change the sign, and reciprocal meaning you have to flip the number. Okay, well, let's do that. So if I change the sign, it should be positive, and if I flip the fraction, it should be positive 3 over 2. Okay, that's simple enough. Now I have my slope to work with. Again, using old trusty point slope form, plug in your values. Uh-oh, there's that pesky double negative again in parentheses. Remember what we do, 2 negatives equal a positive. Boy, you just gotta love magic. Okay, now we're going to multiply 3 over 2 times x and 3 over 2 times the 4. Dun da da dum. Okay, I'll show you how to do that trick later. Still have to get it into y equals, so what are we going to do? Think I hear it. Plus 5 on both sides. Simplify, and we'll get y equals 3 over 2x plus 11. If you thought that was magic, wait till the next problem.